To some other news now, the Jamaica Social Investment Fund JSIF's Best Kept School competition has received a passing grade from the Ministry of Education. Now, as Sandy Williams reports, the Education Minister has deemed the initiative a reflection of the values of pride, responsibility and community stewardship.
Bits of paper not lying on the ground may have profound impact on people's attitude and behavior. At least that's the view of Education Minister Favour Williams.
When you wake up in the morning in an environment that you love, it just sets the tone for the day. But when you wake up and you look around and you see everything's broken and there is trash and everything, it just gives you a different spirit. You just are angry at everything and everyone. So as simple as we see this, it has profound impact on us as human beings, on our spirit.
She was speaking at the Jamaica Social Investment Fund's JSIF Best Kept School Competitions Awards ceremony. The competition was introduced to identify and reward environmental best practices in targeted schools in St. James, Westmoreland, Kingston and St. Andrew and Clarendon. The initiative, which falls under JSIF's Integrated Community Development Project 2, aims at encouraging students to take personal interest in ensuring good order in schools. For the Education Minister, it reflects the values of pride, responsibility, and community stewardship.
As you know, our schools are the socializing environment for all of our children. They come from different families, different communities, different values, and we bring them together in that environment to teach them the national values of Jamaica so that they grow up to be the citizens that we would like them to be.
While applauding JSIF for implementing the project, Mrs. Williams explains it is pivotal in empowering communities, enhancing infrastructure, improving the quality of life for countless Jamaicans, and building hope, resilience, and opportunity.
It's about investing in our nation's future and ensuring that no community is left behind.
17 schools participated in the competition. Edward Siaga Primary won the Best Kept School prize. The Most Outstanding Groundsman Award went to Dennis Reed of St. Andrew Primary, while Anchovy Primary copped the Best Kept Grounds trophy. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.